Okay, tell me why I went shopping for one thing and ended up with an entire collection of pieces I did not even know I wanted. This one is like, it gives me both everything and nothing at all. Look at this main character energy for sure. Okay, tell me why I went shopping for one thing and ended up with an entire collection of pieces I did not even know I wanted. But honestly, sometimes it's the best finds when you don't plan for them. It's always so unexpected. But hi guys, I'm 𝘸𝑦𝑚𝑦𝑥. Welcome to my channel, and I am doing an Amazon haul for you guys because our budgets need to be friendly, right? So this first one that I'm wearing is a women's two-piece strapless going out outfit, bandeau top and wide leg pants. I know Amazon's names are always a mouthful, but right, look at this. It's casual, but it has a bit of stylish touches to it. The texture, the pattern, the material, guys, the material, and the way that you could layer this, and the way that you can style this up with heels, with sneakers. I know, right? But I feel like this is one of those outfits that people will just be like, wait a minute, that's nice, where did you get that from? Because it's giving stylish sweats, and everybody loves a nice comfortable pair of sweats. Now imagine if you add stylish to it. Perfect. This is like best airport fit for if you need to take photos along the way. This is good fall into winter when it's still cold, but not too cold, and even better for winter into spring where like the wind kind of hits you in certain areas, but you want your arms out. This one though, because I always have to give a little bit of a complaint, a little bit, just to be real honest with you guys. One, the texture on this, great. The feel on this, great. But this top part, you can't really see it, but the part that goes under your bosom where there's like a sewn line, it's slanted, which makes your boobs look a little bit slanted. I wish like that one line was lined up straight and then everything else could be asymmetrical after. Just the fact that it goes up into this part, it will make you look a little lopsided. Granted, the texture kind of hides it a bit because it has this like ribbing texture, which does help hide it, does make it not as noticeable. I just notice it because it's right in front of my face and I'm staring at myself because you look good, girl, you look good. But outside of that, my only concern when it comes to this fit is the material. This type of material, it will keep you warm. It will keep you so warm. But the outside, I can almost guarantee that the more frequent you wear this, the more it's gonna pill. And when it pills, you're gonna have to shave off those parts that pilled, and then at some point it will eventually deteriorate. So this is one of those outfits that I'm just like, wear it while you can. The bottom, the way the pants like cinch at your waist and then flare out with the looseness, beautiful. It gives you shape, and then this top, the way it's asymmetrical, also kind of feeds into that. It makes your waist look slimmer, and then it makes your hips flare out, which is nice. It's such a nice fit. Like I said, this is something you could wear with sneakers for a casual day. This is something you could dress up for a casual day as well. So I am actually going to give this one an 8, and let's get on to the next outfit. This one is giving rich auntie at brunch on a yacht every weekend, but with a side of this fabric might betray me after one wash. This one is, I don't even know why this is in the name. It's lounge sets for women, two-piece tie, blue and white striped cami and low-waist striped pantsuit. Guys, This one is like, it gives me both everything and nothing at all. Like, this one, I can't tell if it's a hit or if it's a miss, because when this top part is on and it's great, like right now it's doing its thing, I feel amazing. I feel like, yes, I do feel like that rich auntie that is on a yacht every weekend for brunch just for the fun of it with her girls. But like this part, it is so hard to keep it secure. I don't even know how it's secure right now. The other time when like I put this on, it was like gaps upon gaps upon gaps. I'm just gonna say thank you for right now, just ultimate thank you, because there's no space, there's no baggage. That's what I actually, that's like the only thing. The only issue I have with this is this top. Is like, you, like this middle part where this band is, you cannot bring it inwards, you cannot bring it outwards. It's not like a swimsuit top where it's like the string just goes straight through and you could adjust the whole time. No, it is like this is the guaranteed space for cleavage. You will absolutely have to show this no matter what. Everything else can scrunch to it, but that part, we are making sure you do not hide nothing. So that makes it like a little bit hard to adjust, because as you pull the sides out, this part kind of goes whoop, further and further away. So that's my only thing. Like I said, my only complaint. Pants, they are cooling, they feel good, they're loose, they're baggy. You can wear them with heels. If you want to wear them with sandals, you can too. Does not matter. You are going to look and feel great. This is the type of outfit I would actually wear on a hot day, because it's, the material doesn't, like, the material feels like it's not even there. It literally just feels real nice, real cool. You know, like one of those button downs that you wear for work, is that type of material. And if you get a really good one, nobody will notice that you're sweating. Nobody. Look at corporate America. Oh, if you get a really good button down, nobody will notice you're sweating. Nobody. I guarantee you. But yeah, this one gives me like rich vibes. And if it wasn't for the top being a hit or miss sometimes, I would probably put this at a 10. But to be honest with you, just for the top being so with it, I'm going to put it at a 9, because it has hope. It has potential, right? A whole bunch of potential. Anyways, guys, let's get to the next one. I am not going to lie. A part of me either immediately regrets this, or I'm just like, oh, okay. But this is the women's twist front split hem tube top textured strapless boho bandeau crop top and cover up skirt. This is supposedly, according to that title, it's supposed to be a swimsuit cover-up. Honestly, I don't think it is. I think it is just too sheer to not put in, hey, this could be used as a cover-up, so that way people don't get upset that it's sheer. But yeah, it's a little bit sheer, and honestly, I personally feel like this top is not like the best for having a swimsuit underneath, because then the lines holding your swimsuit up, it's just gonna look real messy. The skirt, however, the skirt can do something. But yeah, immediate regret. I had such high hopes for this. I thought this would be like one of these cute top skirt type of sets, like, you know, like how they had kind of in the 90s when Megan Fox was young and they were all in those little tube top skirts type of thing. That's where I was going with this. The skirt itself, right? These sides can pull up, so that way you can make it short, you can make it long, adjust the ruching. Honestly, if you do not have that ruching on the side, it kind of looks a little bit dowdy because of the length. And because of the shape of it, it just gives dowdy. I don't know if it's the texture. This texture helps a lot, especially from a distance. It gives like an island type of vibe going to it just from texture alone. But overall though, this one I had such high hopes for. I hope that it would be like a really cute outfit that you could just wear out with your friends, have a good time. And it's not at all. It's not. So yeah, that the fact that it is sheer, like you could wear white under it, you could wear skin tone colored anything under it, but outside of that, it's going to show. You could even wear like black, but it'll show. Just if you're wearing shorts, you'll be fine. But for this, I'm gonna have to give it maybe like a 5, because I just looked down. I know exactly what. So this part right here, I don't know if it's the way that it's sewed or the way that it put together, but it kind of comes off like it looks like it's been cut right up here. It hasn't. It's just how they cut the material, but it kind of throws me off and it messes up the smoothness of it. I wish they kind of just sewed this part together so that way it had the little twist right here, but everything else was seamless instead of there suddenly being a weird cut in the middle, which kind of off puts it to me a little bit. Yeah, I had so much hope. I had so much hope. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Now this one is giving center stage no matter where you go. Like, look at this main character energy for sure, guys. The vibrancy, the boldness, the colors. This is the Florence women's two-piece outfit, summer tie, front split, crop top, and high waist textured short set. And guys, this is what I love about fashion. It's all about the energy, the movement, the creativity. This is giving me like Havana Day out somewhere warm, somewhere tropical, enjoying life. And when I tell you, like, whenever you go to the tropics or whenever you think of the tropics, you think in everybody's in these nice, beautiful, bright colored outfits, just really living, really enjoying the sun hitting you, coconut in your hand, a bright colored top or bottom or whatever, just life, loving life. Now this though, I will say my only complaints with this is I did expect it to be more fitted, especially the shorts. I expected them to be like some hot girl shorts where it's just like fitted, kind of like bike shorts, or even just like, you know, the fit you get with leggings and bike shorts, like something like that, but just high-waisted, short, and just cute all over. This one is kind of loose a little bit on the bottom. I feel like if it fit a bit more snug, it would accentuate the shape better, but because of how not tight it is, it gives kind of that loose feel, which means you can jump around, you can dance around in it. I was just expecting some like hot girl shorts. My only other thing is that this tie up here does not come tied. You have to tie it yourself. There is a little hole so that way it does not look all lopsided or anything. If you know, you know. But overall, like, I like this. It makes me feel like main character, straight up energy. You are the star in this, and there's no way you can't be, because the moment you walk outside, the moment you walk anywhere, you're just gonna be drawing all the attention to you in a good way. But yeah, with this one, just because of how much I'm enjoying it, I'm gonna give it around, and you know what, I'll give it a 9, because literally the only thing that is like keeping it from being a 10 is the fact that the shorts were not what I expected. They're still fun, they're still cute. I just think if it was more of like that nice body conscious shorts, like a biker shorts or something, it would just give like OG 90s supermodel vibes, you know, where they had the hot pants with the crop top. Tyra Banks has been in it, everybody, you know? So that's what I was kind of hoping for. So yeah, this has its like score for now. It's a 9. It's a 9. But okay, guys, let me know which piece of this haul is your favorite, and if you ever buy things just because they make you happy, that's okay. You're the one wearing it, so you might as well enjoy it the most, right? And if it's completely random, you know what? That's okay too, because you never know what you can rock. You never know what looks good on you. Sometimes the bold colors do, sometimes they don't. Sometimes that shape does, sometimes it doesn't. At the end of the day, you have to enjoy the process just as much as you enjoy the result. That's how fashion works. Now, let me know down all in the comments below, because I really want to know what you like, what you are interested in, and what's the best way to shop, or any tips, hints that you guys have. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh. And this right here is my final score. Now, I can let you be a main character. I can still leave here as a main character because I got this whole outfit on. So, bye guys.